Hello everyone. It is the front pan of our digital circuit IC. You can see in the pan there is a power supply and input switches and output responses and some symbols of gates, and you can see there are some ICs of multiplexer, demultiplexer, half adder, full adder, and so on, and code conversions and flip flops. So you can say that we can perform all the experiment of digital circuit on this kit. So as you can see, when you give the power supply, the LED on near to the power supply will glow, and you can apply input from these switches, which is either 0 or 1. So when the input is 1, light will glow, and when input is 0, light will not glow. So you can see when I give input 1, light will be glow, corresponding light will be glow. Similarly, when you connect any of the output to the output responses, output LEDs, these are the output LEDs. So whenever the output is 0, their LED will not glow, and when the output is 1, when you supply, when you give the output here, the corresponding light will glow. Okay? Similarly, you can use any of the IC which is freely available. You can fix on this and you can perform the practical. Now our experiment number 1 is to study logic gates. So as we have studied in the theory class, we will verify the truth table of various logic gates. So we are having the ICs of logic gates. So you can see in the diagram, it is the IC 7408, it is the AND gate IC, and IC 7432, it is OR gate IC, 7404, it is NOT gate, and XOR gate is 7486, and you can see the NOR and NAND gate IC similarly. Okay. Now we will start the verifying the truth table of various gates. So as we have studied in the theory class, it is the AND gate having two inputs. So when you apply inputs to the AND gate, it will give output correspondingly. So what is the output equation is A into B, that is multiplication in the arithmetic term. Okay? So for AND gate, if one of the input is 0, output will be 0. So you can see for input as 0 0, output is 0, for 0 1, output is 0, 1, for 1 0, output is 1, and for 1 1, so there is no output is 0, so output will be 1. Now we will verify using the kit. So you can see the kit of you can see the diagram of AND gate, which is IC 7408. We will verify using circuit. Now we will verify the truth table of AND gate. Now we will use the input switches for applying the input to the AND gates. So it is the first input and it is the second input, which you can use any of the switches for applying the inputs. Okay? So these are the two inputs we have applied at the input of AND gate, and it is the output of AND gate which will apply to the output LEDs. Okay? Now we will verify the truth table. Now as I say, when the two inputs are 0, output will be 0. So there is both of the inputs to the input to the AND gate is 0. So the output is 0. That is, no LED will glow for the input is 0. So now the second input, which is the second combination, 0 1. So for 0 1, output is again 0. No LED glow at the output side. Similarly for 1 0, it is 1, it is 0. Okay? So for 1 0, output is again 0. Now the fourth option, that is the 1 1. Okay? So I have applied 1 1 applied to the input of AND gate, and output LED glown. Now we have verified the truth table of AND gate. We can verify the truth table for OR gate. Just we will pull out the cords from the AND gate and we will apply to the OR gate. Now the truth table of OR gate. So you can see when any of the input is 1, output will be 1. So for 0 0, output is 0 because none of the input is 1, so output will be 0. So in remaining 3 cases, at least one of the input is 1, the output will be 1. Now we will verify using kit. So again we will use the same codes, same switches for verifying the truth table of OR gate. ठीक है, it is we have applied the inputs and the output for the OR gate. Now we will verify. So first combination is 0 0. So again no LED is glown at the input side. So for 0 0 output is 0. So the output is 0. ठीक है. Second input कौन सा हमारा 0 1. For 0 1 second input is glown. So the output is 1 because output is glown. Output LED is glown. ठीक है. Similarly for 1 0, that is for 1 0 1 0 we will have the output as 1. Similarly for 1 1 output is 1. That's how we will verify the OR gate. Similarly you can verify for NOR gate, NAND gate, NOT gate as well. So that's how we will verify the experiment number 1.